How to quote, tweet, or post on Twitter. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open X Twitter. Then, simply find the quote tweet you want to post. Then click on two arrows at the bottom of it. After you click on two arrows at the bottom, you'll find quote option at the bottom. Click on quote. Now you can add a comment before posting as well. And you can also select everyone can reply or only me. Then press on repost at the top right corner of your screen and then it will be posted. This is how to quote, tweet, or post on Twitter. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.